Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily share files from Google Drive on Android. So in here, you can just open the Google Drive apps on your Android phone. So find this Google folder, then click on this Drive options. And in here, you can just find the files that you want to share. Okay, for example, here I want to share this files right here. So what you need to do is just click on the three dots icon at the side of the file, and here you can see there will be the share button. Just tap on that and then add the people or groups that you want to share with. For example, I'm going to share this file uh, into to my friends. Sorry, okay, this one's right here, and then here you can choose their role if it's a Google Docs file, sorry, Google Sheets, or maybe Google Slide. So you can choose their role between editor, commenter, or viewer. I'm going to go with editor, and here you can choose to notify them or not, and you can also add a message. For example, hey, this is the file that you've been asking, for example, and after that you can just click on send at the top, this one, and just like that the file will be shared to your friends. So you can also do this with videos, with images, or folders. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.